Hello everyone in cyber world, welcome back to another video. I'm Richard, also known as Poor Man.
And I'm Jennifer, also known as Mrs. Poor Man. In today's video, we're going to do part 1 of the linen closet makeover.
Unfortunately, where we live, we have to deal with geckos, flying cockroaches, and a lot of us also have to deal with centipedes.
Ew.
So to prevent this, what we're going to do is we're going to rebuild our linen closet and we're going to line it with cedar planks. The reason for that is cedar planks have a natural, cedar planks are a natural insect repellent. We have learned that centipedes are very aggressive and that they go after their prey, and so whenever there's a lot of insects around, you have a lot of centipedes around. So if we get rid of the insects, hopefully we'll have fewer or no centipedes to go along with it. So we're going to be doing this rebuild in 2 parts, but today we're going to work on the actual cedar planks. Next week we're going to build and install some shelves. So let's take a look at what we did today. And cue music. Before we begin, we have to empty the closet first. And now we can finally get rid of the wire shelves, which I absolutely loathe.
Mr. Poor Man then removed all the anchors that were used to hold up the wire shelving. And he ripped out the shelf braces.
At this point, we normally clean out the holes and patch them up. But since we're going to be covering the entire wall, I saw no reason to patch the holes.
Mr. Poor Man took measurements of the walls and transferred the measurements onto the boards. I had to get them out of the way and cut the boards to ensure they were cut properly.
We opted to use construction adhesive to strengthen the hold of the planks onto the wall.
The planks had tongue and groove, so we easily put them in place, made sure they were level, and further secured them using our nail gun.
Back wall done, so it's a simple matter of repeating the process on the side walls and ceiling.
Although we have claimed to have done this to prevent insects, a large reason for doing this is because Mr. Poor Man really likes the wonderful aroma of cedar. Either way, we are thrilled with how the closet is progressing. The cedar planks look great and hope you like it as well.
So there you have it. That's part 1 of our 2-part series. We have finished the cedar plank. We hope you enjoyed it. Next week we're going to be working on building the shelves for our linen closet.
We would love to spend more time with you, but we gotta get working, so...
Until next week, bye-bye.